everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping. Thanks for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at a 2016 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation. With just under 89,000 miles, this double cab pickup truck does feature a 5.3 liter V8 engine, an Onyx Black exterior. It is four-wheel drive. It does have one minor on the Carfax with 2 previous owners. In the front here, you can see this GMC Sierra will be well equipped with LED daytime running lights, high intensity halogen headlamps, and then fog lights integrated into that lower bumper along with your recovery hooks. Coming down to the wheel and tire setup, you can see that factory GMC high gloss black aluminum alloy wheel wrapped up in a nice set of Bridgestones. We'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. Taking a brief look into the interior, you will notice you have a two-tone gray and black theme. And as you can see, that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of the vehicle. A little pop of chrome here and there. You will have that optional third seat there. If not, you have some nice storage and armrest. This truck does come with some aftermarket rough country premium cloth seat covers, but underneath you will have that nice gray premium cloth. No rips or stains or tears or anything like that. Customer just left these in here and they're in very good shape. Located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection sheet. Here, as you can see, all the tires are 8/32 all the way around, and the brake pads are green, good to go, along with everything else ready to go for the next buyer. This particular GMC Sierra is a double cab, so you won't get the full crew, but you still have plenty of space back here for rear passengers. Making our way to the 6.5 foot bed, you will notice you do have a hard bed cover. Looks like that's a Lear brand bed cover there. And of course you will have your rear camera, and your towing setup, hitch and receiver, and 4 and 7 pin wiring. You will notice this truck does not come with a bed liner or a spray-in bed liner, but that can be purchased here at our CarQuest, or we can schedule a service to have a spray-in bed line. Bringing our attention to the rear bumper, you can see you have that integrated step for easy access into the bed. This GMC Sierra is also equipped with matching WeatherTech visors all the way around. Making our way to the driver door, you will see you have all your child locks, power windows, door locks, and mirror adjustments. And to the left of the steering wheel, you will have an integrated trailer brake control with your gain controls. And down below, you'll have your brightness and dimming controls for your center cluster. And to the right, you'll have your lamp selector. Here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. As you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, and panic. Upon startup, you can see just under 89,000 miles on this GMC Sierra. As far as steering wheel mounted controls, to the left, you will have a cruise control option. And of course, we have our standard gear selector here right on the column with your tow haul mode. And we do have a nice backup camera as well. We'll go ahead and put it in the reverse. And you have your guidance lines as well. Down below, we have some radio controls and some climate controls. And then here we have our traction control off and our cargo light. And in the middle here, we can see we have options of storage, cup holders, and a deep storage console here. Or if you don't need that and you need that third rider, you can do so. Bringing our attention to the rear view mirror, it is auto dimming. You have your OnStar and SOS. And of course, up top we have our bright LED map lights. Let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you will find a 5.3 liter V8 engine. And as you can see, very clean. No exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew always does a phenomenal job of making these ready for the next buyer. In this last portion of the video, this is where I'm gonna go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this GMC Sierra. Keep in mind, none are perfect. We like to make them as clean as possible. Here in the front, you have some obvious stone chips here, some light scuffs here on the hood. Chrome trim around the front grille looks good. GMC badging is good. And it doesn't look like those recovery hooks were used in the front. Of course, your headlights and fog lights, very clear. No cracks or condensation buildup in there. No curb rash on those high gloss wheels. All your badging seems to be in good shape. You will have some minor cosmetic blemishes on these mirror caps. Here on the passenger door, you will have a blemish here and here. The rear door looks okay. Again, looks like these are brand new. There's WeatherTech, all matching. And we're coming back to the bedside here. A few paint chips here, as you can see. This hard cover is in really good shape. A little discoloration here, obvious wear and tear. But no discoloration on these moldings around the wheel and tire setups. No curb rash on that wheel. Of course, you will have some paint chips there from rocks. As you can see, top of the tailgate there, you can see some scarring, cargo going in and out. But your rear bumper looks good, no dents or dings. Coming up the driver's side, again, no discoloration, no curb rash. Take a look inside the fuel door. Everything looks clean. All the way down to our cab corners here. Still have those protectors on there. All those trim pieces seem to be intact as far as the interior is concerned. Now this does come with your aftermarket rough country seat covers, but the seats are in really good shape. The customer just left these on, and these are in really good shape. So we just thought we'd leave that on for the next buyer. You can take those off if you want. However, really good shape in here as far as the interior is concerned. If you look up to the headliner, no stains or anything like that. So no odors, no rip stains or anything of that nature. So interior, pretty good. Making our way up here. Of course, on the mirror cap here, you will have some wear and tear. Minor cosmetic blemishes. And to the front left quarter, or fender, a blemish there. If you have any more questions, give us a call here at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. Or you can go to allthingsautomotive.com, shop online 24/7. And guys, you can even get yourself pre-approved. Super easy process, takes 10 minutes. And make sure when you come in, you ask your sales consultant about our extended coverage because this vehicle does qualify. So come on out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video informational. Please like and subscribe.